Hello dear friends, welcome to Smart Plus Technology YouTube channels. Today in this session I taken you to a site which we are doing is fire alarm detection and alarm system installations and public addressable system installations which we doing in Prestige Technological Park 4, which is located in Cardiff. We getting two work orders. In this we P1 and P2 building 1. For this session I am explaining building 1. We took around 9 months to complete these three projects. In overall project we maintain the good quality of works and we use a heavy and more safety precaution which is designed by the safety teams. In overall projects we divide into three stages. In first stages we cabling the entire floors as per the drawings, and in second stages we fixing a black boxes and detectors base and chipping the all MCP points at staircases. And finally in last stages we fixing the detectors and addressing the detectors and commissioning all detectors and cables, checking, and finally we connect the addressable control fire alarm control panels and commissioning. The overall project is nice and we maintain good quality of work. For more information or installing fire alarm systems in your buildings or apartment or any office spaces, please contact this Smart Plus Technology, and we doing CCTV installation and smart home application.